All-on-4 or teeth in a day is a procedure where we take out all failing teeth or decayed teeth and place implants the same day. And the patient goes home with fixed teeth. Most of the times, almost 99% of the times, they go home with a beautiful smile. With the all-on-4 procedure, the benefit is the teeth are extracted and the implants are placed at the same time. And with this procedure, we can actually place a minimum of 4 implants and give you a full set of teeth without any additional grafting or going through sinus grafting. So that is the benefit of the procedure, which makes it a little bit more economical compared to extensive grafting and more downtime. So the biggest fear most patients have is missing teeth, losing teeth, and being without teeth. They never want to go without teeth, and this is one thing that they can get with this procedure, where they can get fixed teeth the same day and they don't have to ever go without teeth. The concern a lot of patients have is the pain associated with the procedure. And it's amazing how very few of them experience severe pain, because once you have teeth attached to implants, there's no pressure on the underlying gum and the bone. And so most patients experience very minimal or manageable pain.